Well guys, welcome to Braaap. Here we are in our assembly facility down here in Melbourne. I'm going to talk to you about the most exciting bike that we've innovated. It's the Braaap MotoE, the electric bike. It's finally here. The final production run, or the first production run, here it is. We've been test riding it, chucking heaps of Ks on it. We're fighting over who gets to ride it, and I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you're just as excited about the electric revolution as we are here at Braaap. And our goal and our position that we're trying to take is to revolutionize the way this industry moves into the electric. We call it the electric revolution of motorcycling. We think it's coming, and we think it's an incredible opportunity for an independent manufacturer such as us to innovate and lead the market. So you've got the MotoE here, and the value that we're positioning the MotoE at is that firstly it looks incredible. You just want it. It just looks awesome. But secondly, it's a power plant that you can easily do the speed limit, great output, decent range, all that stuff. But the kicker is that it's available in a competitive price point to its gasoline or internal combustion engine competitors. So we're not asking you to pay some premium price because it is electric. We're saying this thing looks incredible, goes awesome, it is electric, that's a huge innovation, but the price point is super competitive, and really it's on par with if you were going to buy an equivalent gasoline powered motorcycle. So that's a big innovation. My name's Brad Smith. I'm the founder of Braaap. Heaps of you guys that are checking out the electric bike are brand new to Braaap. We've been going since 2005. We're a family business. I started this thing in 2005 as a young man who was passionate about motorcycling, and our goal was to help new people come into our sport. We wanted to see people get a clean adrenaline rush through riding. So we're passionate about the bike, we're passionate about the rider, and we're passionate about the community that gets created around the bike. And we think the MotoE, the electric bike, does all those things and gives us an opportunity to increase and step up everything we do here at Braaap. We've got a few interesting and unique business concepts that deliver huge value to you as the customer. We're trying to make it a no-brainer. We're trying to make it really hard to walk past us and ignore us. So the first big claim we make is that we offer lifetime warranty. Massive claim, huge statement, been doing that for around 10 years now. It's not too good to be true. You pay for it, it's $250 to opt in, gives you huge confidence, takes away any of the risk if you've never heard of us. We've got over 10,000 bikes on the road, so we've built a great system, great support system, and a great warranty system to make sure that you can have confidence joining Braaap, that we can make a big statement and take any risk away, and it's a really good thing. So $250 to join, lifetime of your ownership of the bike, doesn't transfer for second-hand bikes, and lifetime of your service regime. So you've got to look after your bike. All reasonable, don't have to service with us, just get it serviced and we're happy. That's a massive claim. The next big claim is the price point. Now, the way we offer huge bang for buck and deliver a top-notch, like high-end bike at super aggressive price points is that we've innovated the way we deliver bikes to customers. So in the past, we used to have 40 or 50 staff, have like heaps, like 40 or 50 dealerships as well, outlets across the country, and we had 5 of our own dealerships that our family owned too. So huge cost of rent, staff, inventory, you know, all the things that are associated with that model. We've shifted that. Now we go direct to consumer. You're probably watching this video either on YouTube or hopefully through the braapmotorcycles.com website. This is the platform you purchase from. It's allowed us to cut huge amounts of costs out of our sales process and business concept, and we pass them on to you. So for example, some of our other bikes that we used to sell in the old model when we had dealerships, they cut down by half price when we moved to our direct-to-consumer model. Now we've continued that with the electric bikes. We continue to build bikes. We design and develop here in Australia. We produce and use manufacturing efficiencies from offshore. Our Chinese partners, our molds and jigs live at those production facilities. Then we bring the bike here to Australia. We have full design control, full design audit from start to finish. Everything is our full responsibility. Then we do final assembly here in Victoria. The boys do their 44-point checklist for compliance. That's auditing for the Australian design rules and also Euro 5 European regulations. We then do our internal quality stuff, so you know, Loctite in, lube in, all that type of stuff. And then the final part is a test ride. That's really important to us because we offer lifetime warranty, but the bike, this is the kicker for us, the bike is assembled ready to ride. So it gets delivered to you wherever you are in the country. You've got to pay for your shipping, so please check that out on the website. On the bike page you can see it. And the bike lands at your door and you just got to go register it if you haven't organised that beforehand with us. So it means the bike's going to be ready to ride. We want you to have a frictionless and seamless process so you can get a bike to your door and feel like you're part of the team and part of the community here, as if you're a local, normal dealership customer that could come and chat to us face to face. You can call us. Please though, support.braapmotorcycles.com. That's the best way to go get any knowledge, our huge knowledge base there, or if you want to submit a ticket and get one of our team to give you a buzz, that's the quickest and best way for the right person in our team to give you a call. So we have dozens of staff who are committed to making sure the process works, that we can offer an incredible bike and have a good process through this e-commerce platform. So big shift for us. That includes support team, spare parts team. I'm pointing up here if you've seen other videos of our warehouse, spare parts are upstairs there. And of course, the big one that everyone asks us about is options and upgrades. There's tons. We've really put the bike on the road we're not trying to win MotoGP, so there are software upgrades, there are battery upgrades, all this stuff's available. Not all of it we can offer legally, so if you see people offering race stuff, please check that out, please talk to us, make sure that A, it's legal, B, it's compliant, and C, we can maintain your lifetime warranty. But we're trying to build a blank canvas. We want people to get passionate about electric motorcycling. We're for the enthusiasts. We want you to be able to DIY and do stuff yourself, but we want to support that as best we can too. So I'm going to tell you about the actual bike. I've told you about our concept. That's so important, because how do you deliver an incredible bike at super aggressive price points? It's the concept and the business model that I've just shared with you. But the bike, this is our masterpiece. I'm super proud of it. About 5 or 6 years ago, we started and we built our first prototype of the electric road bike. You might have seen videos. It's been a journey for us, and it feels so good to finally have a bike that you can ride away. So the MotoE, we offer it in 3 power packs: the 5,000 watt motor, the 8,000 watt motor, and the 10,000 watt motor. We have 3 different battery sizes available at the moment. So with an electric motorcycle, you want to look at the wattage, the output of your motor, and then you want to look at the voltage and amp hourage of your battery. So we've got 3 options there. Go to the bike page and check that out. We've got all the range and the current prices, depends on when you watch this video, all available there. So 3 different power plants, but the same bike. So same height, it's the exact same, just the different battery and how many watts the motor puts out. So the first thing that's going to stand out to you are these front forks, upside down front forks. They're adjustable. We want to make the thing handle well. You've got a twin disc front brake system. This is an ABS braking system, so top of the range brakes, meets all Euro 5 requirements, so heavily tested and regulated. We've got to go and do testing on slip surfaces, wet surfaces, dry surfaces, top speeds tests. Like, it's a really expensive process to comply one of these bikes. So we're stoked with the braking system. We're stoked with the suspension. It looks incredible. Obviously the lights, like how cool do these look? I'll put them on high beam for you here. How awesome do they look? You can see the indicators here. They look awesome too. And you can see when I sit on the bike, it's a full-size bike. I'm about 5'10". So, I'm comfortable on it, but it's great for taller riders and also shorter riders. If you want to reduce the seat height, you need to. We've got a shorter shock available to bring it right down for shorter guys too. But you can see with your foot on the foot pegs, plenty of room for your knees, no matter how tall you are. And we have all types of riders ride our bikes. We've had test riders that are 6'5", over 100 kilo blokes, right down to smaller framed women riding. And that's really what we want to build here, is a bike that's comfortable and you can set up to yourself no matter your shape or size or riding ability. So first thing I want to talk about is it's twist and go. So no hands on the brakes. This is front brake, obviously. This is rear brake. That's a bit different. So the foot brake is not there on the electric bike. That's an upgrade you can get if you want to go back to the conventional brake style, but front on the right, rear on the lever as well. So no hands on the brakes, and if you have your hand on the brake, the engine cuts out, but no hand on the brake and you can take off. So to go back, thumb on R for reverse. You'll see the R symbol come up here on the dash, then twist the throttle. It's pretty quick, so be careful. You can see here the adjustables on the suspension, soft and hard, each side. You got here as well your different modes. So you can go mode 3, which is the highest one. That's the fastest mode that we have, 2, and then 1 is the most economically focused mode we offer too, if you're concerned about range and battery life. Under here you've got USB charger, so if you have your phone on. A lot of people, there's an app we're developing. Go to support.braapmotorcycles.com and check it out. Not sure when that app will be out, but a lot of people use GPS or their own app system and mount the phone here with, say, a quad lock or one of those phone holders. So that's pretty cool. Obviously high beam, low beam, horn, hazard lights, left and right indicator. You've got to push the indicator into the middle to turn it off. Bike won't go with the stand down, so it stands down now. You can hear that. Probably hear that. Won't go because the stand down's got to cut out. So guys, that's the Braaap MotoE. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for listening to our business concept here at Braaap. Thanks for checking out the model. We're super pumped about this electric revolution. We're trying to disrupt the market, and we are underdogs. We're a family business. We're an independent manufacturer. We've been going since 2005, so it matters to us that you're with us. We don't have Marc Marquez winning MotoGP to build our brand. We have you guys riding the bikes, telling your friends, going on the internet, talking about us. We love that, we appreciate it, and it matters to us. So come ride with us. We'd love to chat. Put a comment if you'd like any questions answered, but most importantly, go over to support.braapmotorcycles.com if you've got questions, or come over to braapmotorcycles.com if you'd like to purchase, take the next step, get a low weekly payment plan, talk to the dealer team, all that stuff. Talk soon, ride with us, and Braaap.